Oh, whew, it's hot.
Yes, Hot Pockets.
So once you've chopped up your spinach and arugula, you're gonna go ahead and put it on a pan, on the stove, maybe medium high. You're gonna add some organic olive oil. You can be generous with this, it's great for you. You're gonna add some other seasonings like organic garlic powder, organic onion powder, some salt, and some black pepper. Once that's all together, you're gonna mix it. Just mix it all together. Nice. And we can just go ahead and cover it. So I have rolled up my tapioca dough into balls to make it easier to stuff. I'm going to be adding goat milk mozzarella cheese and Parmigiano Reggiano, a product of Italy, into my spinach that has cooled. I'm gonna mix these two together. Once we've done that, we are ready to stuff our bread. So I will take one, kind of flatten it out a bit, make a little dip. And then we're just gonna close the bread. Close it nice and neat. Once they're ready, then you put them back down on some parchment paper and you keep on going with the next one. Now to make a firmer dough, or to learn how to make this dough, check out the link below. For this particular recipe, you're gonna want a thicker dough, so you're gonna add a little bit more of the coconut flour. And once you have successfully stuffed all your dough balls, you're just gonna wanna go ahead, put it up, slide that into your oven at 400 degrees. Ooh, gotta be a little careful. There you go. For about 20 to 30 minutes. You're just gonna wanna check on them after 20 minutes, see how they're doing. You're gonna want a nice golden brown. All right, so after about 30 minutes, you've taken these out. As you can see, they've got that nice light golden brown color. Some of them have oozed out just like Hot Pockets do in the microwave, but these are just way better. We're gonna go ahead and pop one open. Look at that. Oh. Yummy, yummy.
Nice.
Oh, whew, it's hot.
Yes, Hot Pockets.
Well, we hope you enjoy. Go ahead and try your own, and remember, you can stuff these with whatever you'd like. Homemade Hot Pockets.
Whew.